And Surah Luqman 31 and Ayah 34. إِنَّ اللَّهَ عِنْدَهُ عِلْمُ السَّاعَةِ وَيُنَزِّلُ الْغَيْثَ وَيَعْلَمُ مَا فِي الْأَرْحَامِ وَمَا تَدْرِي نَفْسٌ مَاذَا تَكْسِبُ غَدًا وَمَا تَدْرِي نَفْسٌ بِأَيِّ أَرْضٍ تَمُوتُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلِيمٌ خَبِيرٌ. Surely Allah is the knowledge of the hour near Him. He sends down rain and He knows what is in the wombs. And no soul self-psyche can perceive what she will earn tomorrow. And no soul self-psyche can perceive in which land she will die. Surely Allah is knowing, aware. Now in this ayah there is a very important point I would like to emphasize, and that is that people have misunderstood certain portion of this ayah because of the translation. The first part says, Allah says, surely Allah has the knowledge of the hour. Do we have the knowledge of the hour? We don't have the knowledge of the hour. He sends down rain and He knows what is in the wombs. He knows what is in the wombs. And you can see a small full stop there. In Arabic, toa, you know, toa. What is in the wombs? He stops. Allah, when He speaks, and then He says, He knows what is in the wombs. Is a full stop there? Or can you see the full stop in Arabic? So, what is in the wombs? A male child or a female child? Okay? Or a both sexes. So by scanning you can come to know. By scanning nowadays you can come to is a male child or female, you can come to know. By ultrasound. So but Allah did not say you cannot know. He says Allah knows what is in the wombs. So He didn't say you cannot know. He didn't say that. And if He makes a full stop there, that means you can know. But the further what He says is, after full stop, He said, and no soul, self-psyche, can perceive what she will earn tomorrow. That you can know? Can anybody know what he will earn tomorrow? No. And no soul, self-psyche, can perceive in which land he will die. At that, when in the womb. Allah knows when the child is in the wombs, He knows that what she will earn tomorrow, that you can never know. Then you can never know where he's going to die at that time. So Allah is telling in this context, people are saying, look, Allah, nowadays we also, the Quran, Allah says you don't know, Allah knows. Where does Allah say you cannot know? Allah, again I read, He sends, and He knows what is in the wombs, full stop. That means you can also know the child's sex. He is not describing the child's sex, but if you want to know the child's sex, you can know. But what He says you can never know is that no soul psyche can perceive what she will earn tomorrow. That you cannot know, can never know. And no soul psyche can perceive in which land she will die at that time, when she is pregnant, when she is in the womb, when the child is in the womb. You can never know that. So people nowadays, still today, people do not have this, belief that if we come to know the child, it is wrong, haram. Believe me, because Allah says you cannot know. You can know. He doesn't say you cannot know. He says Allah knows what is in the womb. You can also know what is in the womb. So what? But what you cannot know, still you cannot know, and in the future you will not come to know what is in the womb, where he is going to die tomorrow, and what he is going to earn tomorrow. You cannot know that. So this is a very distinct, clear ayat, because people are writing in a manner that nobody knows what is in the womb. Now the scientist has come to know, so ayat is wrong. Ayat is not wrong. Ayat is correct in what Allah says.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.